My name's Natalie, and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, anything to do with nails. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe and join the Glam Slam fam. And this one is a VIP box from April, Sparkle Supply, and I got a couple of things from Temu, just 2 things actually. So, first of all, I'll show you all of Lorraine's socials on Sparkle Supply. She's on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and that's her website there. Yeah, fantastic. And like I say, this is the April VIP box, which I am a bit late to the game, but let's go for it. So, first thing is, oh, this is nice. What's that? Fandango. That's nice. It's really pretty, that, isn't it? Beautiful. And these VIP boxes, they're out a month after we get them. If you know, after the VIP boxes have gone out, I think they come out a month later. That's lovely, that though, isn't it? It's like got a, I like this, the fine glitter as well through it. Very pretty. There's Fandango. Then we've got, oh, another lollipop. Oh, this is nice. What's this? Golden blush. Oh, that's pretty. That's that blush, that pink through it. It's really soft. That is really nice, isn't it? It's lovely. Do you know that'll go on? It's a very summery, that very summery colour. Yeah, do like that. Golden blush. Then we've got, oh, this is vibrant. Fuchsia fling. Is that matte? I think, is that a matte? Is that a matte? Yeah, I think it's matte. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? Again, very summery, that. You make a lovely set of nails with that. Beautiful. I just want to look because I thought, is there something else through that I'm... No, it's definitely all fuchsia. So there's fuchsia fling. Ooh, where hey. Then there's... Oh, this is lovely. Look at this. Apple laser. I hope you can see how green that is. That is very vibrant. Again, summer all over it. Apple laser. Foil. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at these. Ocean waves. Oh, they're gorgeous crystals, them, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful. They're soft blue colour. Yeah, they're pretty, them. I really like them. And finally, bronze shot. Oh, I know what this is going to be like. Make sure I don't. Let's have a quick look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And it is bronze. I know it might be coming off as a bit pinky reddy colour, but it is bronze, definitely. But it's lovely. Again, it reminds you like sandy golden beach colour. God, it's gone everywhere. This is why I don't open stuff. But it's yeah, it's a shard. It's not foil. It's definitely a bit thicker than foil. That is nice. Look at it. You see it there. And yeah, so that's my Sparkle Supply VIP box. Yeah, it's quite a bit thicker than what you'll get a foil. And the other thing I got was these. I haven't used these before, so I don't know what these are like. I'll tell you about this. I picked this up. It's a stamping plate, obviously, but it's just got writing on. I don't know why I picked it up, really. I can't even tell you what the number is, because I can't see it. Is it one of them? I can't see the number anyway, because there's writing all over it. I don't know. It's Temu anyway. It was definitely Temu. And I think it's got OI2 on it. Wait a minute. Just a minute. I'll find the packet. See if it's on that. Is that it? Is it that? This one. Here it is. Can I see what it says? This is the packet that it came in. No. I've just got a serial number. I haven't got any other numbers. It's just a serial number, and it's like a really long number. Don't know. There's no number on that. do you know how I come across that? I typed in new nail products. I think, yeah, new nail products for Temu, a new something. What is it? New must-haves for nails, that's what I put in. This came up, this stamping plate. I mean, it does have a number there, but I can't read it. It's in Chinese, I think. Yeah, but anyway, so like I say, it's got writing on it, and I can see the word Gothic, and I can see the flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. There you go. In a confined space, each of us seems to not in silent, to something in silent disgrace slowly fading. And then it says Gothic, and then it says sinner. So, that one. But I got these. Has anybody ever tried these? These are a different kind of dual form. I've seen a few people try these. I'll get one out and show you. I'll try one of the... comes with numbers, look. These, I think, are mainly... So, you fill it up inside with your acrylic, apparently. And it gives you a kind of that style of nail. So you've got... So I went on online, I had a look. And basically, it gives the back third more strength when you're filling this up for your nail, to put on the nail. It's specifically designed for that. Can you see? Let me find something dark here. Apparently that's what it's for. So you fill the nail up, and you know, like you would put on a nail or acrylic if you want to use one of these. But you get that kind of shape when it's dried. So this back third, apparently, here, you can see, because you've got all this space then that needs to be filled in, but it's to strengthen that. I don't know how it works, but it's something to do with that anyway. So I got these just to see what they were about, really. And that was all I got. That was all I got from Temu. I didn't buy a lot, but yeah. So that's my little nail haul. Nothing over the top from Temu, but spectacular from Sparkles, because I love their VIP boxes. They're fantastic. And like I say, I'll put a link in the description to everything. And these boxes, I keep forgetting to tell you, are $12.99, I think. Are they $12.99? They're $12.99. And if you use my $12.99 plus shipping, and then if you use my code NFM15, you get 15% off. Like I said, I'll put everything, links in description. Yeah, that's it. That's what I got. But and like I have announced the winner of whoever that guessed this. I'll just put it out again. It was Claire, and if Claire contacts me, I'll give her a little prize for guessing it. She was the first one that guessed it right, did Claire. I love this. I really love it. It's pathetic, isn't it? How you love a dotting tool. Yeah. And hope everybody's doing well. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for clicking on the video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.